Alright guys, so TikTok says it's impossible to chug a sparkling water without burping. Let's test it out. So I'm just gonna drink like as much as I can because y'all know I'm not good at chugging, so cheers. And if you don't believe me, it says sparkling water right there. It burns. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm right there. Oh, it's starting to burn really bad. Still there. Right there. Jeez, guys. I just ate hot Cheetos, so this really burns right now. Right there. Whew, whew. Oh, geez. We're right there now. Oh, jeez. It's so hard to chug. It's so hard, dude. We're pretty, I'm not good at chugging though. Oh, geez. My tongue is red from the hot Cheetos and this. Right there, guys. I'm not thirsty anymore, but I have to finish. Let me take a little break. Chugged it in 4 minutes. It's gone. Now we just wait a couple minutes. That I can't believe I just did that. I have a stomach ache now. Oh! bro. My tongue is red, bro. It's not going away. I can't believe I just chugged all that. Jeez, bro. It doesn't look like I'm burping. Does it look like I'm burping, guys? Does it look like I'm burping? No. Jeez, bro. I didn't burp. I drank that whole thing. Sparkling water. I did it, guys. I survived. Sparkling water chug.